Welcome to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, back again with one more Goan monsoon delicacy, the bamboo shoot curry, with some new ingredients which I'm sure would love to know and learn the use and benefits of it. So watch till the end to learn how to make bamboo shoot curry. And friends, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment in Melita's Delicacies for more interesting recipes. Now these are not the common bamboos, the thin ones. These are the fat big bamboos, or what we call them in Konkani, the kolkiche konde. The very small young, the shoot is cut, and I'm demonstrating to you how it is to be clamped. Now you have to remove the topmost layer of the bamboo shoot, the colored one, as I am doing here, because it doesn't get cooked. Now bamboo shoots are high in fiber, rich in many multivitamins, especially B12, B6, and also rich in vitamin E. So it has high anti-aging properties and immune building properties. So friends, in the markets you get these bamboo shoots these days. So please do buy these bamboo shoots. Follow the recipe and cook these bamboo shoots. They taste delicious. As you can see, I have peeled off the colored part of the bamboo shoot, and I've scraped the top part of it, which was yellowish in color. You just have to slightly scrape it off. The inside part is very soft of the bamboo. You see, I have cleaned the bamboo thoroughly. Friends, please try this recipe. It is really worth taking the trouble. Now let's take a grater and grate it. I'm grating on the bigger side of the grater. Let's see how the grating becomes. If you feel that the grating, the grated part of the bamboo is too big, then you can grate it on the smaller side, as I am doing it now, because I prefer the smaller side. But in fact, some people cook it not by grating, but they just cut it into fine pieces and they cook it. It tastes delicious anyways. Yes, so please do it this way. Bamboo shoot I have grated here. Now we need to thoroughly wash this. There is kind of a mild toxin in this bamboo shoot. As you can see, there's bubbles forming out there. That is the toxin that is there, but it is highly washable. It is not harmful to us, except that it can give to some people a little digestion problem. Except than that, but it is highly water soluble, so wash it thoroughly, and it's better to soak it for some hours in the water, wash it again and cook it. I am taking about 150 grams of peas, soaking them overnight, because peas are a little difficult to cook. You can take fresh green peas also. See here, I had soaked this overnight, and I'm going to wash it twice now, and my peas are also well soaked. Here I have some dry clams. If you get fresh one, please do use, or you can use some prawns as well, just to enhance the taste of the bamboo curry. And cooking as a vegetarian dish, please do not add the clams. Now these dry clams, I'm washing it well, because there can be some residue of sand in them. So washing them and soaking them for some time. Here I have put my peas to boil, added some ajwain to it, or the carom seeds, and some salt, and cook it for about 5 whistles. My peas are ready. Now to the same peas with this water, I am adding the washed bamboo shoots. Mix it well. Add the soaked clams to it. Give it a quick stir, add some water, adjust the consistency to boil it, add some salt here, some turmeric powder. Friends, from olden times, Goans always ate seasonal fruits, vegetables and foods. So we also need to follow their footsteps to have a better immunity and health, especially in this hard times. Mix it well and just cook it on a high flame for 2 whistles. My bamboo shoots are cooked. Add 2 slit pungent chilies to give that punch, to it, and add a chopped onion. Saute till translucent. Now here I have made this paste of coconut and garam masala. I've just slightly roasted the coconut till golden, added 3 tablespoons of my homemade garam masala and ground it fine. Add to the onions, mix it well, add water to adjust the consistency, mix well again and add the boiled peas and the bamboo shoots. Mix well and let it simmer for about 5 minutes on high flame. Add little salt, just as enough to give taste to the coconut paste, because we had already added salt. So as a souring agent, I am using this kanda sola. Now these kandas are the same ones which you eat during the summer season, the black color berries, the sweet sour one. When they are raw, they are cut and dried up and then solas are made. They are high in antioxidants and vitamin C. So please do get a hand over them and use them in your cooking. Our bamboo shoot curry is ready and to be plated. Friends, if you are new to my channel and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel now for more interesting recipes, healthy recipes. And as always, I always introduce to you a new ingredient. So thank you for watching till the end. Here I am enjoying my bamboo shoot curry today. Please subscribe my channel and watch my other videos too. Click on my photo to subscribe and do watch my other videos in the playlist following this video.